Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. The splitting a quadratic equation into two factors will give you a quite trouble. Well, not anymore. In this trick, I am going to apply it on the questions that can be factored into proper linear factors. This trick will make you super confident with the quadratic equations. Let's start the magic trick. X square plus 8x plus 15. When the coefficient of the first term in the equation is 1, using this cross multiplication method provides a quicker solution. Draw the cross sign. Then write the constant value in the bottom part and x coefficient value in the top part. Take 15. What are the factors of 15? 1 times 15 is 15. Then 3 times 5 is 15. Let's take 1 and 15. After finding the factors, you need to apply the two conditions. Number 1, when you add the factors, you should get the value of the coefficient of x. Number 2, when you multiply the factors, you should get the constant value. What are our conditions? When you add the factors, you should get the value of the coefficient of x. But add these two numbers, 1 plus 15, which gives 16. It is not same as our quotient of x. Our coefficient of x is 8. So you should not take 1 and 15. Let's take 3 and 5. Check the conditions. The first condition. When you add the two numbers, you should get the value of quotient of x. So the first condition is satisfied. The second condition. When you multiply the two numbers, you should get the constant value. The second condition also satisfied. These are factors. You have to write x plus 3, x plus 5. Keep in mind, always check the signs when you solve quadratic equations. Like this, simply you can find the factors using this cross multiplication method. The question is x square minus 2x minus 15. Coefficient of the first term in the equation is 1. So you have to apply this cross multiplication method. Write the constant value in the bottom part and x coefficient value. What is our x coefficient value? Minus 2. Write in the top part. Now find the factors of 15. What are the factors of 15? 1 times 15 and 3 times 5. Let's try 3 and 5. Check the two conditions. What are our conditions? When you add the two numbers, you should get the coefficient of x. But here you get 3 plus 5 is 8. But it is not same as minus 2. So what can you do now? Change the sign for any one of the number. Change sign for number 5. So 3 plus minus 5, which gives minus 2. Check the second condition. When you multiply the numbers, you should get constant value. So 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. Condition 2 satisfied and condition 1 also satisfied. So your factors are x plus 3, x minus 5. Let's take another one. 2x square minus 22x plus 20. Here 2 is there and here 2 times 11 is 22 and here 2 times 10 is 20. So in 3 terms 2 is the common. So take 2 as common to make it easy. Now this is your equation and here x square coefficient is 1. So you have to apply this trick. Draw the cross sign, write the constant value in the bottom part and write the x coefficient value in the top part. Now find the factors of 10. What are the factors of 10? 1 times 10 and then 2 times 5. Let's take 1 and 10. Write here 1 and 10. Check the conditions. When you add these two numbers, you should get the value of x coefficient. So when you add 1 plus 10, you will get 11. Our x coefficient value is minus 11. So what you have to do now? Just change the signs. Minus 1 plus minus 10, which is minus 11. Now first condition is satisfied. Second condition. When you multiply the two numbers, that means minus 1 times minus 10, minus times minus is plus, 1 times 10 is 10. It gives a constant value, right? our two conditions are satisfied. So the numbers minus 1 and minus 10. Our factors are x minus 1, x minus 10. And here 2 is there. So the final answer you attach with that 2. So this is your final answer. Another question is 3x square plus 14x plus 8. The coefficient of the x square term is 3. It is not 1. When the coefficient of the x square term is 1, use this cross multiplication method provides a quick solution. If the coefficient of the x square term is not 1, then what should we do? We do the same cross multiplication method, but first you divide the terms, then do the cross multiplication. This 3x square we can divide into x, 3x. When you multiply these two, we will get, when the bases are same, you can add the powers. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 3x square, same value. When you multiply, we will get the 3x square only. So we can split it. Now take the constant value 8. Find the factors of it. What are the factors? 1 times 8, 2 times 4. Let's take these two numbers, 2 and 4. Now do the cross multiplication. 3x times 4, which is 12x. 2 times x is 2x. When you add these two, is 14x. So here also this is plus 14x, right? So here also plus 14x. So our first condition is satisfied. Now check the second condition. The second condition is when you multiply these two numbers, so which is 2 and 4, these are the factors. When you multiply these two, you will get 8. So the second condition also satisfied. Here 4 means plus 4. Here 2 means plus 2. So these are your factors. So write the factors. X plus 4, 3x plus 2. That's it. Let's try one more example to make it clear this concept. Here x square quotient is not 1. Then what we do? We do the same cross multiplication method, but first you divide the terms, then do the cross multiplication. 2x square divide into two terms, x, 2x. When you multiplying, you will get 2x square. Then find the factors of value 3. So what are the factors of 3? 1 times 3 is 3. So these are the factors of 3. Let's take 1 and 3. Do cross multiplication. 2x times 1 is 2x. Then 3x. This is 3x. Now check the conditions. When you add these two, you should get the value of x. 2x plus 3x, which gives 5x. This is not same as x. So what we do? Change sign for number 1. Now do the cross multiplication. 2x times minus 1 is minus 2x. Then do this cross multiplication. 3 times x is 3x. Now check the conditions. Minus 2x plus 3x, which gives plus x. So it is same as x. First condition is satisfied. Now check the second condition. When you multiply the factors, you should get the constant value. See, is same as constant value. So these two conditions are satisfied. Factors are x minus 1, 2x plus 3. These are the factors of this question. X minus 1, 2x plus 3. So like that, simply split it and check the conditions, and you can find the factors within 2 seconds. Here also x square coefficient is not 1. Then what should we do? We do the same cross multiplication method, but first we divide the terms. 16x square you divide into two terms, 4x, 4x. So after multiplying, we will get 16x square only. Now find the factors of 9. What are the factors of 9? 1 times 9, then 3 times 3. Let's take 3 and 3. Do the cross multiplication. 4x times 3 is 12x. Then 4x times 3 is 12x. Now check the conditions. So whenever you add these two, you should get the x value. But when you add these two, you'll get only 24x. It is not same as 32. So 3 and 3 are not your factors. Take another one, which is 1 and 9. Now do the cross multiplication. 4x times 1 is 4x. 4x times 9 is 36x. After adding these two, 36 plus 4 is 40x. Is it same as 32x? No, it is not same as 32x. So what can we do? Just change the signs. These two are plus signs. So just change it. Here 36, you subtract minus 4, you will get 32. So 1 you change as a minus 1. Then 4x times minus 1 is minus 4x. Now plus 36x minus 4x, which gives 32x. So first condition is satisfied. Now check the second condition. Second condition is when these are the factors. So multiply the factors. Minus 1 times 9 minus 9, it is same as constant. So our second condition also satisfied. So these are the factors of this question. So what are the factors? 4x minus 1, 4x plus 9, 3x square plus 16x plus 5. Here also x square coefficient is not 1. So split the terms. You split it x, 3x. Next, find the factors of 5. 1 times 5 is 5. Just take 1 and 5. Now do the cross multiplication. 3x times 1 is 3x. 5 times x is 5x. So which gives 8x. After adding, it gives only 8x. But our x value is 16x. So these two are not same. Here what can you do? Just switch the factors. That means change the factors up and down. Now do the cross multiplication. 3x times 5 is 15x. 1 times x is 1x. After adding, it gives 16x. So here this is plus value and this is plus value. So 16x is the same as the middle term. Our first condition is satisfied. Let's check the second condition. Multiply the factors. These two are the factors. Multiply these two factors. 5 times 1, which is plus 5 times plus 1, which is plus 5. It is same as your constant. Our second condition also satisfied. So our factors are x plus 5, 3x plus 1. So like that, simply within 2 seconds you can find the factors of any quadratic equation. I will give you one question. Solve them independently and quickly share your answer. The top 3 participants will be highlighted in my upcoming video. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching.